Analytical geometry problems. Example 1. In the given diagram, P 0, 8, Q 4, 16, and H 6y are given. The gradient of the line APC is equal to 2 over 3. Determine the following: the inclination of AC, the equation of line QP, the value of y if HBX is equal to 30 degrees, the equation of the line which is parallel to AC and passes through Q. The inclination of line AC. We are given the gradient of line APC as 2 over 3. We know that gradient is equal to tan theta, or 2 over 3 is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse 2 over 3 is equal to 33,7 degrees. The equation of line QP. We are given the coordinates for points Q and P. We note the equation of a line passing through 2 points x1, y1, and x2, y2. Y minus y1 all over x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Substituting the values, we get y minus 16 over x minus 4 is equal to 8 minus 16 over 0 minus 4. Y minus 16 over x minus 4 is equal to negative 8 over negative 4. Y minus 16 over x minus 4 is equal to 2. Multiplying both sides by x minus 4, we get y minus 16 is equal to 2 times x minus 4. Y minus 16 is equal to 2x minus 8. To obtain the equation in the standard form, we have to make y the subject of the equation. Adding 16 to both sides of the equation, we get y minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 2x minus 8 plus 16. Y is equal to 2x plus 8. Thus we obtain the equation of the line QP. The value of y if HBX is 30 degrees. Y is the y-coordinate of the point H. We can find the y-coordinate of any point on a line by substituting the value of the x-coordinate in the equation of the line through the point. But we don't have the equation of the line through H. We can write it in the standard form as y is equal to mx plus c. We can calculate the gradient of the line HB from the angle of inclination using m equals tan theta equals tan 30 degrees equals 0,58. Substituting the value of m in the equation of the line, we get y is equal to 0,58x plus c. To find the value of c, we can substitute the x and y values of any known point on the line. From the diagram, we can see that point B lies on the line HB. Also note that B lies on the line PQ. We deduce the equation of the line PQ, y is equal to 2x plus 8 previously. Moreover, B lies on the x-axis. This means that its y-coordinate is 0. Substituting y is equal to 0 in the equation of the line PQ, we get 0 is equal to 2x plus 8. Adding negative 8 to both sides, we get 0 minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 8 minus 8. Negative 8 is equal to 2x. Dividing both the sides by 2, we get negative 8 over 2 is equal to 2x over 2. X is equal to negative 4. Thus the coordinates of the point B are negative 4, 0. Let us substitute these values in equation 1. 0 is equal to 0,58 times negative 4 plus c. 0 is equal to negative 2,32 plus c. Adding 2,32 on both the sides, we get c is equal to 2,32. Thus the equation of the line BH can now be stated as y is equal to 0,58 x plus 2,32. Now that we have the equation of the line, we can substitute the x value of h in it and get the y value. Y is equal to 0,58 times 6 plus 2,32 is equal to 5,8. Thus the value of y is 5,8. The equation of the line which is parallel to AC and passes through Q. We can write the equation of the required line L in the standard form as y is equal to mx plus c. We know that this line L is parallel to AC, and we are given the gradient of the line AC as 2 over 3. Thus the gradient of the required line will also be 2 over 3. Substituting m is equal to 2 over 3, we get y is equal to 2 over 3 times x plus c. We are also given that this line passes through Q, 4, 16. Substituting the x and y values of point Q in equation 1, we get 16 is equal to 2 over 3 times 4 plus c. 16 is equal to 8 over 3 plus plus c. Adding negative 8 over 3 to both the sides of the equation, we get 16 plus negative 8 over 3 is equal to c. Therefore, 48 minus 8 all over 3 is equal to c. Therefore, 40 over 3 is equal to c. Thus, the equation of the required line is y is equal to 1 over 3 times x plus 40 over 3.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.